Hi everybody, welcome to today's video lesson for Science 7. Yesterday you were asked to read the section in your book about the integumentary system and answer review questions 1 through 8. At the end of that section, I have posted the key to those questions to today's lesson. So at some point today, I would like for you to open up that key, compare it to the answers that you put for those questions, and then let me know if you need any help understanding why the correct answer is the correct answer. We'll handle it that way since I'm not with you to go over those questions with you. As I mentioned yesterday, you can just keep those questions in your binder. You'll be able to reference them on any quizzes or tests that you need to take because, of course, they're all open notes and open books. Speaking of quizzes and tests, this Thursday, you're going to have a quiz, a real quiz that counts as a quiz grade on sections 19A and 19B, which was the Introduction to Human Anatomy and the Integumentary System. Again, that quiz, like all others this quarter, as long as we're online, will be open notes and open book. And it'll be the same format as like your sticker quizzes. You'll take it online, but it'll count as an actual quiz grade. I don't really think you need to study to prepare for it. Just when you go to take the quiz, have your book and your notes handy so that it'll save you time. Okay, speaking of sticker quizzes, we're going to have another sticker quiz today for this lesson, and this will be just a little quiz on the integumentary system. It will not count as a quiz grade. It will count as a completion classwork grade, but you do get a chance to earn a sticker to go towards your chance to be inducted into the Science Nerd Hall of Fame. So that's what that's all about. Let me see, you notice that I put the winners of the stickers from the first sticker quiz on the class wall yesterday. So you were able to see how everybody did and how you did. And I'll do that each time that we have a sticker quiz. All right, today we are going to move on to the skeletal system. That's in section 19C of your book. And what I'm going to ask you to do is watch the Bob Jones video where their teacher goes through section 19C with you and explains some of the key concepts. While you're watching that quiz, I want you to take guided notes, and I've attached a document to today's assignment board that will help you know how to format your notes. And you can do one of two things. You can either print this document and then handwrite the notes in the appropriate sections in that printed document as you watch the video, or if printing is not a good option for your family in this home learning situation, then you can get a blank sheet of notebook paper, fold it like I've taught you to fold it for Cornell Notes, and then just write down the headings that I have written down on the paper. And if you skip the number of spaces that I do and format it the way that I have it formatted, it'll be no problem to fill them in as you watch the video. So either one is okay with me. You can decide. Let me show you what I'm talking about just to be extra clear here at the beginning. So this is the notes format that I'm talking about. You see today's date up there. You see a title, and then you see where I've kind of put topics to the left in the left column. I filled in the first one for you. The type of skeleton in the human is an endoskeleton, but then I've left topics undescribed, I guess you'd say, going on down. And mine took a couple pages, and that's it. So if printing is not an option for you, then get a piece of notebook paper, fold it like you know how to fold it, and write out the headings that I have listed here. Make sure that you skip the lines that I skip. If you skip, like for example, 3 spaces between define cartilage and define bone, that should give you plenty of room to write your answer in there. You're going to take a picture of your notes once you're done and post it to the RenWeb LMS. If you print this page out, which you can do, then you can just handwrite in the sections over here on the right-hand side. Either way would be great. Now, I did want to tell you that in the video, the teacher talks about some things that she wants her students to memorize, and at the end she gives an assignment for her students. And this video was made for kids who are homeschooling, and it's part of their homeschool curriculum. You do not need to memorize what she tells you need to memorize. You don't need to do the assignments that she tells you to do. You can kind of ignore that part of her lesson. What I want you to get from those videos is just an overview of that part of the chapter. So let me see, I wanted to tell you that. The video that you're going to be watching is the one on section 19C, which is the skeletal system. So to recap, there's a few things, just a few that I need you to do today. One is to get yourself ready to take the notes while you're watching the video. So that means you either print out that document that I just showed you, or you take some notebook paper, fold it accordingly, and write down the headings that you see on the paper, including the date and the title at the top of the page. Skip the number of lines that I tell you to skip, and you should be in good shape. The next thing is to watch today's video and to take the notes while you watch. You're going to send me a picture of your notes when you're all done, front and back, all sides. And then lastly, I want you to take your sticker quiz for today. So that's what's going on. And got any questions or problems, just send me a chat like you've been doing, and I'll help you out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.